Wow, hey guys, you were only like super small when I last saw you. I'm just a little bit sad because my dog is dying. So, I don't know what to say about that. I feel so empty without him. Let me just draw what he kind of looks like. There he is. He's the King Charles Cavalier. He's like a ruby King Charles. Let's draw the finishing. And here is what I'm gonna draw. And now it's time to start getting into details. There's the finishing of the drawing. And now it's time to make the background. And there we go. That's it. I would show you a picture of my dog, but I don't have any yet. I'll show you maybe in the future. Bye.